The system passed commissioning. All values were within limits. Flow was correct. Pressure was correct. Temperature was correct. So everyone relaxed. But passing commissioning does not mean the system is healthy. It only means the system behaved correctly at one very specific moment in time. Almost everywhere. The system is commissioned. Measurements are taken. Data is recorded. Forms are signed. And the system is officially declared OK. The assumption is simple. If commissioning data looks fine, the system is fine. That assumption feels safe. And that's exactly why it's dangerous. Commissioning happens under ideal conditions. The system is clean. Loads are steady. Controls are simplified or bypassed. Fouling hasn't started. There is very little variability. Engineers trust this data because at that moment the system really does look stable. But stability during commissioning is not proof of stability in operation. Commissioning data is a snapshot. It tells you that components are installed correctly. Sensors are wired properly. Flow paths are open. What it does not tell you is how the system behaves. It does not show interaction. It does not show drift. It does not show control response over time. Commissioning proves install quality, not system health. After commissioning, reality begins. Loads start changing. Fouling slowly builds. Control logic takes over. Operators intervene. Nothing changes on paper. And yet, the system begins behaving differently. This is where most inefficiency is born. Quietly, without alarms, without obvious failure. Engineers validate systems using points. But systems fail in trends. A single data point can look perfect while the overall behavior is slowly degrading. Commissioning captures a moment. Systems reveal themselves over time. This gap between snapshot and behavior is where blind trust lives. When early numbers look healthy, confidence locks in. Optimization stops. Questions stop. Months later, instability appears. Energy consumption rises. Control problems emerge. And everyone asks, what changed? The uncomfortable answer is, nothing changed. The system was already fragile. It just hadn't revealed itself yet. This is not about bad commissioning engineers. It's not about missing instruments. And it's not solved by adding more checklists. This is a thinking problem. A system problem. We confuse initial correctness with long-term health. When commissioning data is treated as truth, inefficiency becomes normal. Energy loss is accepted. Control instability is tolerated. Equipment life quietly shortens. The system keeps running. So nobody questions it. These are not dramatic failures. They are expensive ones. Silent ones. Commissioning does not tell you whether a system is healthy. It only tells you whether it behaved correctly at startup. Commissioning proves install quality, not system health. Systems always have the final say. Engineering unfiltered. Real engineering. No filter.